What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and welcome to a super rare, beautiful, clear day out here in Juneau, Alaska. Now we're gonna have a little bit of barbecue going on and just enjoying the weather, but you guys didn't come here. Well, maybe a couple of you guys wouldn't mind, but nobody came out here to go, barbecue or do anything like that. You guys came here for one thing. So if you happen to have a 5th grade education like me, then you most likely read the title of the video. And I'm here to tell you guys that you read that title correctly. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your F150 significantly faster, guys. In literally, I will probably say 30 seconds, but to be politically correct, let's say 5 minutes. How to make this big old giant truck noticeably fast, instantly. Keyword there, instantly, in 5 minutes or less. And all you're going to need to make that happen, guys, is this mystery box right here. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys are looking at an electronic throttle controller. Where the hell is it? Here it is, little bastard. An electronic throttle controller. Now this simple little plug and play mod, it's actually responsible for overriding your stock accelerator throttle input sensor, which results in a dramatic change in acceleration speed almost instantly. Every last thing you will need to make this modification possible, guys, can be found in this box. I'm talking about, they even included the freaking zip ties. Now, a lot of people who aren't familiar with these override modifications, basically every drive-by wire car, they have a certain throttle input delayed program into them. Mostly it's kind of like for safety reasons. Okay, for example, let's say you're at a red light and somebody's crossing the street, or if you're at your local Walmart parking lot and your foot accidentally slips and happens to run over that little old lady who's crossing the street, or at the Walmart parking lot. Well, that is what that throttle input delay is for. In real simple terms, the moment you push down on that accelerator, there's a slight delay between the accelerator going down and the drive-by-wire system that's operating your throttle body. But that is where this little device comes in handy and overrides that safety feature, so you can go full Mustang crowd control on this biatch. That's pretty much the rundown as to what the hell this thing is. Installing it, let's get to it. Super simple. Simply locate your accelerator pedal, make your way all the way to the top. There is the connector that goes to your accelerator cable. Pull on the red tab up. The connector is going to come off. We're going to use the hollowed out clip, or I guess the male version, and we're going to plug that into what we just disconnected. Then we're going to plug this cable. If you notice, it's identical to the one we just disconnected. We're going to plug this into where it was originally at, on top of the accelerator pedal. So we disconnected that cable, that end goes to this, and now this new end, boom, goes in like an old switcheroo from like a James Bond movie or some crap. With James Bond, or is it Mission Impossible? Who cares? Here we go. Once you guys have done the old switcheroo, you're gonna grab the wire harness right here, and you're gonna connect it to the computer, to the brains of your override system. I really do feel like I'm in a James Bond movie. Damn. Now I conveniently already had a hole here where I used to have an old headlight switch. So I just fed the cable through that hole, looped it out, and I'm going to connect the screen. Yes, it actually does come with a little LED display screen with some 3M backing. I'm going to connect that right in the center, right here, of our dash cluster. Now, if you look at your LED display screen right here, there's actually 3 modes, and each mode has a level of sensitivity to it. Click on mode. We're going to go to number 3. That is race mode, and we're going to crank it up. I believe it's P3.9. Yeah, that's as high as it goes. Full on race mode, guys. The only thing left to do is to try this and show you guys the true before and after difference. Here we go. All right, guys, this is the first test. This is going to be just the regular stock, no override going on right here settings. I do have traction controlled off. Just so you guys can see, there will be a significant lag. There's a slight lag. A lot of you people might notice it, some of you might not, but here we go. I'm gonna take off from a dead stop with traction control off. Here we go. All right, guys, let's do full-blown race mode. The truck has to be in park or neutral. We're gonna go to mode 3, and it's already at 0.9, boys. I'm kind of nervous, but here we go. Oh my God, I had it in park. Embarrassing. Oh my God, my heart's racing. Here we go. Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do like one of those like mid-throttle. Dude, look at this. Look at this. I'm just tapping it. It's ready to go. Just tapping it. Oh my God. Mid-throttle, mid-throttle. Here we go. Whoa! Okay, so it's not like freaking Fast and Furious Warp Drive, but it is instantly noticeable. I'm freaking pinky driving this thing with the accelerator. Holy crap. Whoa! Whoa! Damn, boy! Settle down! I think that's the only way I can put it that people will understand. You know how you can like kind of big toe your accelerator? You will literally have to pinky toe this thing. It just wants to instantly go. What's up? What you doing? All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know I'm definitely gonna be enjoying this, and we got to eat this up before the grizzly bears get a whiff of this thing, because you know what it's like to live out here in Alaska, right? What?
What's that?
I don't know. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. Take it easy.